They done came on out that van, huh? Come on, we hungry now. How y'all doing? You doing good, Trent? I got my plate, yes, ma'am.
And the way people look, she would have to get the goddamn eye to get me up out of her house. If I move back in there, so I ain't going. I understand.
You're not videoing for content, honey? I would have been filming right there all the day. She know we need content. She know it. Yes, you get paid through Facebook too? You get paid through Facebook?
I don't do Facebook, but I have a Square. I have a Square, I have TikTok, I have Instagram.
No, I'm talking about, like how we get paid monetization.
Oh, monetization.
Yeah.
I monetize. I get monetized.